You put down the phone, you've nowhere to go. Get back on the road, yeah, it's over. You're a parasite sucking a leech. Come on, man, it's over. Yeah, it's over, it's over now. What a waste of time. What a waste of time to fall so far behind. You're back on the beat, distorted and cheap. You're a villain, what the fuck are you selling? You're a I won't fall at your feet. Now come on, man, you're older. Yeah, you're older, you're older now. What a waste of time to fall so far behind. Out in the street, feeling weak and defeated. It's all that you needed though, to find a new home, to find a new home, where flowers grow, where flowers grow, to bow after the show. It's so relieving getting told to go. Guess you're really good at saying what you mean. Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely knew your name. Porcelain stuck to your teeth, you got everything, and I can't believe how I've been let down again and again and again. And I'm paranoid, what's under my skin. I got careless eyes to let you back in. Why do I do this again and again and again? about someone you don't even know what you could have done. To tell you the truth, I love porcelain. My old hometown always felt so pretty, and no one was sending postcards from the city. I've been walking downtown every day. In spite of this, I always try to fit in. When they consume my head, I hate this feeling. I wanna be a paragon, not a villain.